हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू फिजिक्स क्लासेस बाय मनोज श्रीवास्तव। आज हम करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की लेक्चर नंबर 7 को डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। लेकिन इसके पहले अगर आपने पहले वाले लेक्चर्स को नहीं देखा है तो टेंशन लेने की कोई बात नहीं है। इन लेक्चर्स को आप आई बटन में जाकर के इनकी लिंक से देख सकते हैं। ओके, तो आज हम यहाँ पर जो टॉपिक डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं उनके कंटेंट्स या नेम इस तरह से हैं, देख सकते हैं आप। जैसे पहले नंबर पर हम सेल डिस्कस करेंगे। दूसरा यहाँ पर ईएमएफ ऑफ सेल, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ई। देन थर्ड, टर्मिनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, इट इज डिनोटेड बाय वी। देन इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस स्मॉल आर एंड इट्स फैक्टर। आफ्टर दैट derivation V is equal to E minus IR, where V is equal to terminal potential difference, E is the EMF of cell, I current flows through the circuit, and small r internal resistance of cell. Okay, now I am going to discuss here cell. Cell basically is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy due to chemical changes or due to chemical reactions inside the cell. Clear? Or cell or battery is a device which maintain the potential difference between the terminal of an electric circuit or between 2 points of an electric circuit. Clear? Cell do not produce charge, but cell provide energy to the charge so that charge can move throughout the circuit. Clear? So first you note here definition. Cell is a device which convert chemical energy into electric energy, and due to this energy charge move. Due to this energy charge moves. Clear? Or second one, we can say that cell or battery is a device which maintains potential difference between 2 points of electric circuit. Clear? Here one more thing you keep in mind, cell do not produce charge, but it provides energy. But it provides energy to electrons or charge. Clear? Now here I am going to discuss main part of the cell. सेल के मेन पार्ट्स आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर, जैसे कि ये इसमें ये वेसल, ये दोनों इलेक्ट्रोड्स होंगे। दीज आर द इलेक्ट्रोड्स। Clear? These two are electrodes, and inside this vessel conducting liquid is filled, and this conducting liquid is known as electrolyte. Clear? Now due to the chemical reaction named exothermic reaction in which energy is evolved. Clear? Ions move inside the electrolyte and deposited on electrode. Clear? So that one electrode becomes at negative potential and another electrode becomes at positive electrode. Clear? And as a result a potential difference is developed inside the cell. Clear? When the two terminal of cell is connected with resistance wire, R is the resistance, so that due to this potential difference electron start moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. outside the cell. Clear? And here these electrons reach inside the electrolyte. As a result, electron gets energy due to the battery mechanism. The name of mechanism inside the cell is, or cell mechanism, due to battery mechanism and due to this it pulled towards the negative terminal or negative electrode and gets energy and move towards the negative electrode. Again these electrons move outside the circuit from negative electrode towards positive electrode. Clear? And as a result, inside the cell as well as outside the external circuit, electron moves throughout the circuit. Inside the cell, electron move from positive electrode towards negative electrode, and outside the cell, electron move from negative electrode towards positive electrode, and as a result electric current start flowing from higher potential or positive electrode towards negative electrode outside the cell, while inside the cell current flows from negative electrode towards positive electrode. Clear? So this is the mechanism of electric current flows through the cell or energy provided by the cell or battery. Clear? So please note down. Now I am going to discuss EMF. EMF means here electromotive force. So as the name, electromotive force, it is not a force. It is not a force, but it is potential. It is a potential difference or energy supplied to battery. Clear? So EMF is electromotive force, but it is not a force, it is a potential difference or energy provided by the battery to move the charge. Clear? Electromotive force here defined as, it is defined as the maximum potential difference between the terminals of cell when no current flows through it. Clear? Here you can see this is a cell. Due to the chemical changes or chemical reaction, one plate A acquire negative potential and B acquire positive potential. When these two plates or electrodes connected with connecting wire with resistance R, you can see when key is open, then no current flows through this circuit. Clear? Now in this situation, the potential difference between these two terminals is known as EMF of the cell. Clear? So the maximum potential difference between the terminals of cell when no current flows through it. In this case, current is 0. Here you can see it is 0. Or it is also defined the work done by a battery to move unit charge or circulate unit charge throughout the circuit. Clear? Is known as EMF of cell. So another definition you can see, the amount of work or the work done by a battery to circulate unit test charge or unit positive charge. Clear? And it is denoted by E. So formula of EMF can write E is equal to work done upon charge. So from this you can see E is equal to work done measure or note denoted by W and charge Q naught. So formula of EMF is E is equal to W upon Q naught. Clear? Then SI unit of EMF E is equal to W upon Q naught. W measure in joule and charge measure in coulomb. So joule per coulomb it is measure in volt. So it is clear that the EMF is known as electromotive force, but its unit is volt, is in volt. Clear? So please note it. Now next topic is terminal potential difference. As we know that when key is closed, then in external circuit current start flowing from higher potential end B towards lower potential end A outside the cell, and inside the cell from negative potential towards positive potential. Clear? Now in this situation, the potential difference between the electrode of cell is known as terminal potential difference. Clear? So here you note down the potential difference, between the electrodes of a cell when cell is in closed circuit. Closed circuit means when current drawn from cell, that is when current drawn from the cell. Understand? It is denoted by V. And the unit of V is same volt, It is also measured in volt. Clear? Here you note main point. It depends on current. It depends on current I drawn from cell. Clear? And one more point also you keep in mind here, EMF of cell. While EMF of cell depends on nature of electrodes, nature of electrodes and electrolyte. Nature of electrolyte. Clear? Please note down. Now I am going to discuss internal resistance, and it is denoted by small r. Just you can see here the process. यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं कि जब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस मेंटेन किया जाता है and when key is closed, then it is observed that electron start moving from negative terminal of cell or negative electrode of cell towards positive electrode outside the circuit here. Clear? And inside the cell the electron start moving opposite to the direction of current, that means positive terminal or positive electrode towards negative electrode. But between positive and negative electrode some ions are present, and due to these ions electrons collide, and due to this collision resistance develop. Clear? Or resistance offered by electrolyte. Clear? So definition of internal resistance, you can write the resistance offered by electrolyte of cell. The resistance offered by electrolyte of cell is called its internal resistance. And it is denoted by small r. The unit of cell, unit of internal resistance of cell is again ohm, and it is denoted by omega. Clear? It is same as the unit of external resistance R. Clear? Now next point related to internal resistance, which is factors. Now you can see factors on which internal resistance of cell depends. Clear? Then first factor is, here you can note area of electrodes. A is the area of electrode. So first factor, area of electrodes, capital A. As we know that if area of electrodes increase, then electron can reach at any point or any surface here of the given electrode. So when area increase, then internal resistance goes to decrease. So here you can note internal resistance is inversely proportional to A. That means if area of electrodes increase, then internal resistance of cell decrease. Clear? Second one, points related to factor the separation between the two electrodes D. So here you note second factor, separation or distance. Separation or distance between two electrodes. Clear? And it is denoted by D. As we know that if distance is large, then electron suffers more collision. As a result, internal resistance increase. Clear? So second point here, you note R is directly proportional to D or separation. That is, if D increase, means separation increase, then internal resistance also increases. Clear? Third point related to this is concentration. C of electrolyte. Clear? So if concentration increase, that means more ions present inside the electrolyte, that therefore internal resistance increases. So you can note if C concentration increase, then R also increases, small r also increases. Clear? And last, fourth point here, temperature. T. Clear? So when temperature of electrolyte increase, then internal resistance decreases. Reason? Due to the temperature, the electrolyte expand. So volume increase and internal resistance decreases. Clear? So please note down. Now I am going to discuss the relation between terminal voltage, EMF and internal resistance of cell. Clear? So to derive this relation, consider the circuit element. Here this is a cell. Basically it is the symbol of cell. Internal resistance is small r and another terminal. Suppose it is A and this is at B. Here it is circuit element, and let EMF of this cell is capital E, and let current I flows from B to A. Consider potential of terminal A is VA and potential of terminal B is VB. Clear? E here, EMF of cell, small r internal resistance. Clear? And I is current flows from this circuit. Clear? As current start from here positive terminal of cell and throughout the circuit here complete and move from B to A. Clear? So to obtain a relation here I take this circuit element, and in this circuit element here we know that when current move from the resistance or current flows through the resistance, then potential decrease, or we can say that some potential drop. Clear? Because we know that current flows from higher potential end towards lower potential end. Clear? So when current flows from V to this internal resistance small r, then some potential drop. Clear? Let potential of A and B are VA and VB. Clear? So I take start from point B. Clear? The potential of point B is VB. Clear? When this current is passed through this, then potential difference across R here decrease because it passes through resistance. So the potential drop across the resistance is IR. Clear? And as current move from negative terminal of cell towards positive terminal, here potential goes to increase. Negative potential towards positive potential, so it will increase. Potential increase, that means EMF of cell take with positive sign. So it is plus E, and the resultant of the potential of these three is equal to potential of A. Clear? So here simplify this relation VA minus VB, and this is equal to E minus IR. Clear? VA minus VB, this is known as terminal potential difference and it is denoted by V. So V is equal to E minus IR. This is a relationship between terminal potential difference, EMF of cell, internal resistance of cell. Clear? This situation is when cell is discharged. Clear? So when cell discharge, first condition, this is condition of discharging. So you can write here when cell is discharged or when cell discharge. Now in this situation terminal voltage will be less than EMF of cell, then V will be less than to EMF of cell. Clear? And second condition, when in this situation terminal voltage is V, and second condition when cell is charged, then When cell is charged, then voltage V is greater than to EMF of cell E, that is V will be equal to E plus IR. Reason: when cell charged, then terminal voltage will be more than EMF of cell. Clear? So please note down. Now one question based on the above relation here. Potential of negative electrode of cell is 10 volt and current given by cell is 2 ampere. If EMF of cell is 5 volt and internal resistance is 0.5 ohm, then calculate potential of positive electrode of cell. Clear? So here note potential of B negative electrode is 10 volt, EMF of cell is 5 volt and internal resistance of cell is 0.5 ohm. Clear? In same way here in this circuit, it is B, it is A. Potential of A we have to determine. Potential of B given 10 volt, small r 0.5 ohm and current in this circuit is 2 ampere and EMF of cell is given 5 volt. Now apply potential difference or terminal potential difference VA minus VB equal to E minus IR, because current is drawn from the cell. Now put the value VA to be determined minus VB 10 volt, it is equal to 5 minus I here 2 R 0.5. So VA minus 10 is equal to 5 minus 2, 5 the 10 means 1.0, that is 4. So potential of positive electrode is 10 plus 4, that is 14 volt. Clear? So I hope all these topics you understand. Clear? तो आज के लेक्चर को हम यहीं फिनिश करते हैं. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, गुड.